Hey everyone, it's Heath from Homes on Wheels, and we are back here with another awesome tour. This is a 4-bedroom, 2-bath home that you can have set up anywhere you want. And if you need a lot of space, this thing has it. It's like 1,904 square feet, and it's extremely affordable. Now, if you guys have never watched our channel before, you know that we are not salesmen. We are just here touring homes. We don't make any money from the sales of these homes. So we're just going to take a look. And the first thing, when we come up on the porch, and of course I could see a deck being built here, you've got a doorbell with a camera. It's all integrated into the house. That's really cool. So we're going to open the door and check that out. Nice little farmhouse style door with the windows. See, the looks like double insulated windows too. And oh yeah, it's got to be double insulated because I just stepped inside and it's 20 degrees cooler in here than it is outside. It's 95 degrees outside today, and there's no power on in here. It's a good 20 to 30 degrees cooler. It's a welcome relief. So let's take a look at the living room. Check this out. A lot of space here. A lot of space. A very open floor plan. Can lighting. I noticed that right off the bat walking in here. And you've got this nice laminate floor. Looks just like hardwood, except it doesn't scuff like hardwood. So that's kind of nice. A lot easier to clean. So a lot of space here. And I'm going to just walk over here and look back towards the kitchen and give you a look, see what you're looking at. So yeah, I could see sitting here, you know, lounging around on Sunday, watching the game or whatever, watching TV. Put your big screen TV right there on the wall. Man, just great. And it's not like you're right up on it. I mean, you've got a lot of space here. Bigger than my house that I live in. So really cool. That goes to the master bedroom. We're going to check that out last. Nice appliances, double Frigidaire washer, listen to me, refrigerator. It's so hot outside, I'm just stuttering all over myself today. And you got plenty of cabinet space here. We're not going to open up all the cabinets, but you know, you got a lot of space for dishes or whatever you want to put there. Some above the refrigerator. That'd be a great spot for maybe a microwave or toaster ovens or just whatever. Coffee maker. That'd be a good spot for a coffee maker. And more of those. And let's look at the pantry. And my girlfriend, she loves to get her canned goods, especially right now during COVID. She's stocking up. And so there's a lot of shelving here. Oh, and those are solid too. Wow, that's nice. So you could stack a lot of cans in here. A lot of space up there. And unfortunately, the power is not on, so I'm having to use the light for my camera. But it'll give you an idea. Come here and see it in person if you want, if you live close enough. We'll tell you where it's at. We're at Clayton Homes in Pelham, Alabama. And I'm sure any one of their salespeople would be happy to help you out. We want to thank them for letting us come and take a look at this nice house. And so here is the oven and more space. I'm not going to bore you with opening all of those. Maybe that one, just because I'm curious how much space. Oh yeah, that's huge. You could put a lot of glasses in there. And you guys know I love big sinks because I get dish duty at home. I don't know about you guys, but that is cool. I want one of those so bad. It looks like most of the homes that I've toured here actually has that. So really deep sink. I really love that. Got your dishwasher next to it. Big bay window. So if I'm having to do dishes, I can, of course, I wouldn't have a tree. We'd cut that. But you know, if you live on the lake or something, I could see a lake out there, maybe facing the lake, you know. You know, maybe this is a little summer home for you. Or anyway, you could look outside. So dishwasher there. And nice place for a deck out there. You got a sliding glass patio door there. That's really cool. And let's scan back through here. We'll scan back through. I guess this would be like a den, because you've got the living room there, and you've got space for a little den or sitting area here. So that's kind of cool. Maybe a little reading area, maybe a little open office type thing. I don't know. I would probably put my office in one of these guest rooms. But speaking of guest rooms, here's one. Now, if you got a lot of kids, you know, that'd be a great place, or you can make it a little office. You got plenty of space for that. And we're just gonna walk in, and you got good size walk-in closets in here too. A lot of shelving. And you've got the laminate floor there. Let's go back and take a look at some of the others. We're gonna go back down through the house, and as with all their homes here that I've toured, you've got the Econo-B. I'm gonna try to open that up if I can without tearing it up. And it'll tell you it will work with Amazon Alexa, Google Assistant, Apple HomeKit. I'm a big Apple guy, so that's cool. And of course, it's got where you can get the apps too. I'll drop that in the floor. But you can get from the Apple App Store or the Google Play Store, whichever phone device you prefer. But that's pretty cool. You can control it via your phones, and I'll pick that up when we head out. But let's see, let's just walk on along. You could put another little TV here, you know, or whatever. Good little study. Feel pretty cool. And here is your guest bath, and check that out. Nice mirror. I really like that sink. It's like those old farmhouse style sinks. That's really cool. Kind of on that little island, if you will, right there. That's cool. Got plenty of space to store under there where all the plumbing is too. Maybe cleaning supplies or maybe shaving kits, whatever, right there. And coming on in, you got the standard shower tub combo there. Good canned lighting in the ceiling. Big bay window here too. That's really cool. I like a lot of lighting in the restroom. So plenty of space there surrounding the toilet. I don't know if you guys are like me, but I hate being cramped up. But so when you don't have a lot of space, that's really cool. So like that, make an exhaust fan. And of course, can lighting right over the sink as well. And we're going to walk across the hall, and you've got another bedroom here. And like I say, it could be an office or bedroom, whichever you prefer. And you've got a little closet here. Not as much as the other closet, but it's still pretty good size. So, and especially for kids, that's more than enough space. Or office, man, you know how much camera gear I could set up there? A whole bunch. So let's go back down the hallway here. And this is towards the back of the home, and I really like those hangers there. You know, put your raincoats there. Be a great place to come in if you're been out maybe gardening or whatever, you're dirty, or maybe you work you know, outside a lot. You've got the hardwood floors, or the vinyl that looks like hardwood floors here, so it's easy to clean up. If you got mud on your feet, no big deal. And then you've got plenty of storage there, and you've got the place for the washer and the dryer right there. So pretty cool. And like I say, you've got a door right here, so you can go out and come right in and change, dump stuff into the dirty laundry if you're really dirty, and then come on back in and relax a little bit back in this nice house. Now this is what everybody's wanting to see. Everybody wants to see the master bedroom and the master bath. We did say there was 2 baths, and we'll just let you guys take in those lighting and everything there as we walk back into the master bedroom. And here we are. Wow, this is bigger than my bedroom at home, considerably. You've got plenty of space here. You could put maybe your bed there, maybe your TV there, or vice versa, either one. Plenty of venting in the floor. I don't know if you guys are like me. I hate to be hot when I'm sleeping, or too cold really. I don't know if there is such a thing, but you got plenty of venting in here, and that's important. That's really important to me. So let's walk into the restroom area, the bath area. All right, and the closet for this bedroom, your master bedroom, is this massive walk-in closet here. And like I say, there's no power in here, so I'm having to rely on lighting from my camera. Looks like they've done a little work in here, but you go all the way back in here, and then you turn and walk back this way. So you've got a lot. If you're like my girlfriend, she's gonna take up some of this side right here. I'm gonna get this side. But you got more than enough space for all of your clothes here. And so we're gonna just go back out and we'll look at your sinks here in just a second. You've got 2 sinks here. So that way you can get ready at the same time. A lot of storage, and that's important. And I know some of you ladies like your makeup. You got plenty of space there for it. Window you can look out of. Good deep enough sinks there. And I know if you're like my girlfriend, ladies, you're going to love this massive tub. And wow, it's solid built. A lot of space around it too. Check that out. You guys could, a lazy Saturday afternoon, lay it back in the bath, guys or girls, whichever. Look out. Of course, this is we're on the lot, but you know, if you lived on the lake or whatever, maybe this is a lake house. Look out, see everything. Be pretty cool. So we got can lighting above it. Now let's take a look at the toilet area. You got right over here to the left of the tub. Plenty of space. And you've even got a shower. You're in a hurry, you don't want to sit in the bath all day. Take a shower, and we're gonna open the door and take a look in. We'll step in. Got enough space here. You know, sometimes showers are real small, but this one is not. Got that same laminate there, so you don't have to worry about it getting wet or leaking. That's really cool. I like that. And of course, you've got the can lighting there right above the shower. Standard controls there, easy to operate. And of course, you got a vent in here too to put your cooler or warm air, whichever you need. So pretty cool. I like this place. This is a nice little house. And we're gonna take a look, and now let's go talk about how much money it is, because it looks really nice, but everybody, the big question is, how much is it? And so let's take a look. So the price for this, which includes setup and installation, I believe, you'll have to ask them about that for sure. Oh yeah, setup and deliveries included in it. $101,900. So that is a lot of house with 4 bedrooms, 2 baths, 1,904 square feet for roughly $100,000. That is not bad. But we're here at Clayton Homes in Pelham, Alabama. Almost forgot where I was at. Pelham, Alabama. And this is the Amelia. So check it out. And we're going to put that right back on the refrigerator. So if you come here and look at it, if you forgot, you could watch the video again, or you could just do it right there. Be sure to like and subscribe if you enjoyed this content, and share it with a friend. Maybe somebody's in the market for a house. Let's go out and take a look at the outside really quick. We're going to do a quick walk around on it. So, and this is into the living room area. And we're just going to do just kind of quick around the outside. I know you guys like the inside. You're like me. You like the wow factor of the inside. So pretty standard on the back side. You got your vinyl siding, and that's that door into the laundry that I was telling you guys about. So if you came in, you're dirty, you could just go right in. And of course, we're on the back side of a lot. This is not set up at a house, so you're gonna see, and when we say homes on wheels, they've got wheels, and they can be delivered wherever you live. but this is it. And there's the bay windows. I know we're a little close, but I don't have a lot of room back here. So got your back place for your back deck, your sliding patio door area, little place for your outlets right there. All right, guys, well, let's head over and check out some more homes. You guys will have to click another video